Good morning, students. May God seek His blessings upon you. Today we'll start with our 4th lesson more about adjectives. Let us see. Adjective equivalence. It means it is equal to adjective. An adjective equivalent is a word which is basically not an adjective. It is not an adjective but it is used as an adjective. Adjective equivalent is not adjective but it is used as an adjective. See, stone walls do not make a prison. Which kind of walls? Stone. We can say stone is a noun also. Okay, but here it is used as an adjective. It is a adjective equivalent. All the up trains are running late today. Which trains? Up trains. Up trains, we can see up is not basically an adjective but here it is used as an adjective. The then king was very just and mighty. Which kind of king? Then king means the king that was ruling at that time. In these sentences, stone is a noun but it describes another noun, walls. Up is a preposition but it qualifies the noun, trains. Then is an adverb but it adds to the meaning of the noun king. Now, position of an adjective. An adjective is generally used before its noun, as where is adjective used? Adjective is used before noun. The unicorn is an imaginary animal. Here animal is noun, before that adjective is imaginary. The cunning fox cheated the crow. Fox is noun and before that cunning is adjective. The brave general won a victory. General is noun and brave is adjective. The use of an adjective is called its attributive use. But sometimes an adjective is used after the verb. Sometimes adjective is used after the verb also. The child was innocent. Here was is verb and innocent is adjective. She looked happy. Looked is verb and happy adjective. This use of an adjective is its predicative use. If adjective is used before noun, then it is called attributive use. If an adjective is used after the verb, it is called predicative use. In this form, the adjective is always a complement to the verb. So, this adjective is called the complement to the verb. Now, order of adjectives. When we use more than one adjective, they are to be placed in proper order. When we are using more than one adjective, some proper order is there for. This order depends on the meaning of the sentence. Okay, this order will depend on the meaning of the sentence. Still, the order is under. Size. First of all, we will place the size. If more than two adjectives we are using, then more than one adjective we are using, then we have to follow the use. If more than one adjective we are using and in that adjective firstly size is coming, then we will put first of all size, then quality, then age, then shape, color, material, type and purpose. Okay, you have to remember this one. Now some examples are given below. A big grand building. A short round face. Here you can see big is also an adjective, grand is also an adjective. Short is also an adjective, round is also an adjective. Now here big is size, short is also size we can say. Now grand is the quality and round is also the quality. A happy peaceful journey. Happy is also adjective and peaceful is also adjective. Then a pale red face. Pale is also adjective and red is also adjective. A dignified old lady. Two adjectives, dignified and old. Then a hard wooden seat. Hard and wooden, both are adjectives. A soft comfortable bed. A smart young man. Remember that major changes in this order can be made to suit the situation. So to suit the situation, here we can make the changes. We don't have to stick with this. We can make the changes to suit the situation. Now we can see formation of adjectives is given there. Adjectives are mainly formed from nouns. Then adjectives can be derived from verbs and adjectives can be derived from other adjectives. So this table you have to learn it. Okay. Now we'll go to the worksheet. Worksheet, form adjectives from the following words. City. So here we will write urban. Then village, rural, society, social, friend, friendly, metal, metallic, circle, circular, length, lengthy, height, high, cow, bovine, bovine, happiness, happy, sorrow, sorrowful, tear, tearful, globe, global, nation, national, beauty, beautiful, duty, dutiful, Bible, biblical, religion, religious, beast, beastly, explosion, explosive, mischief, mischievous, order, orderly, custom, customary, tradition, traditional, period, periodic, strike, striking, Then optional. Romance, romantic. Jestful. Smoky. Worthwhile. Wolfish. Angle. Angular. Money, monetary. Timely. Cultural. Language, linguistic. Weighty. Waxen. Watery. Watchful. Wakeful. Energetic. Peaceful. Rainy. Heavenly. Problematic. Transferable. Remarkable. Scientific. Tactful. Notable. Now this homework you have to do in your homework book. Thank you.